Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezeleke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloke ngikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke ukuze ngingakuphotheli iy'ndaba ongakwenza-ke njengamanje-ke lapho kusicindezeleke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba engikulethele lona namhlanje njengoba sonke sazi kade kutrenda ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana-ke laphana-ke ngokuthi-ke i-M_K isilihoxisile icala-ke laphana-ke belibhekise kwi-I_E_C na-ke laphana ngendlela-ke okwabala ngayo-ke amavoti-ke laphana njengoba sonke sazi i-M_K-ke yayingakholelwa ekutheni-ke la amavoti-ke lawana-ke ezayibalo-ke zaphuma-ke zakhishwa yi-I_E_C zaziyiliqiniso-ke. Ibe isikhipha i-statement-ke i-M_K-ke laphana-ke itshela-ke abantu ngizofundela-ke le statement esikhishwe i-M_K-ke bese sithini-ke nasi-ke le statement, media statement, dates 3 July 2024, strategic withdrawal of electoral court application. We confirm that today, 3 July 2024, we delivered a notice to the Electoral Court withdrawing our application. We initiated the application to challenge the conduct of the Independent Electoral Commission to declare the national approval election results was in haste and violated the will of the people. We are still of the firm view that the election results are not credible, fair, nor were they fair. Our reason, in part, which we still demonstrate in our pursuit to take the matter further, it is the failure by the IEC to perform credible forensic audit of its election system after filing our application to set aside the election results. The IEC and its newly found ally, the Democratic Alliance, failed answering affidavits from which it is clear that the IEC wishes to have the matter dismissed as urgently as it is declared the results based largely on the technicalities. The MK party has now gained further evidence of elections irregularities and vote rigging. We have, however, also been advised by our legal counsel that there are procedural and technical issues that will be further brought to the fore to present such evidence before the application can be adjudicated upon by way of new application to set aside the election results and declaration therefore by the IEC. The withdrawal is on the way, an indication that we do not have a compelling case for the orders we seek. As the MK party, we are resolute and we will be filing papers as per the answering affidavits which brought about fair evidence which strengthens our case against the IEC. The experts that we have engaged continue to uncover further evidence of election irregularities that are so serious that it will be reckless to risk the application being dismissed on the basis of IEC technicalities. Given these circumstances and the further to ensure that all the evidence in the possession of the MK party is presented before the court in a manner that enables a fair adjudication of the matter, we have been advised that the application should be withdrawn for now. In light of the above mentioned, MK Party will be filing a new court case with the necessary court as a matter of urgency issued by Umkhonto Wesizwe. Laphana mina ngicela laphana singene ema-comment section ufushe umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke ukuthi wena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke masicondze nebhathini nje subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi ukuthi nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke engizolokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela manje.